क्या हुआ जब कांग्रेस पार्टी के सांसद केसी वेणुगोपाल ने संसद में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के लिए बोली हुई बातें या फिर ये कह लें कि उनके गड़े मुर्दे उखाड़ने शुरू कर दिए। क्यों संसद में खिलखिलाकर मुस्कुराने लगे राहुल गांधी और बीजेपी तिलमिला गई। दोस्तों, लोकसभा में ओम बिरला के लिए अविश्वास प्रस्ताव पर बहस दूसरे दिन भी जारी है। कांग्रेस पार्टी के सांसद केसी वेणुगोपाल बोल रहे थे, उनके बगल में राहुल गांधी बैठकर सुन रहे थे। दोस्तों, इस बीच सबसे दिलचस्प वाकया तब हुआ जब केसी वेणुगोपाल की एक बात पर राहुल गांधी खिलखिलाकर मुस्कुराने लगे और सरकार जो सत्ता पक्ष है वो छटपटा गई। हुआ क्या दोस्तों कि कल से लेकर आज तक बार बार चाहे निशिकांत दुबे हो और खास तौर पर किरण रिजिजू हो, वो नेहरू जी की तारीफ कर रहे थे। दोस्तों, वो बात लोकसभा के अध्यक्ष के कुर्सी को लेकर कर रहे थे। तो आज केसी वेणुगोपाल ने यही बोला कि बड़ी हैरानी की बात है कि आखिरकार आप लोगों को नेहरू जी की तारीफ करनी ही पड़ गई। देखिएगा एक दिन ऐसे ही आप राहुल गांधी की भी तारीफ करेंगे। आएगा वो दिन। जैसे ही केसी वेणुगोपाल ने ये बात बोली, सत्ता पक्ष तो तिलमिला गया, लेकिन राहुल गांधी मुस्कुराने लगे।
Last session, all the ministers are only one single point agenda: to attack Jawaharlal Nehru, attack Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Now this session I saw that only one agenda: to praise Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. What a change! What a change! We know that one day you will praise Rahul Gandhi also. I am very sure. One day you will praise Rahul Gandhi also. You will tell that he protected democracy, he saved the country. You will say one day. I am very sure. Wait for some time. Wait for some time.
हालांकि दोस्तों, इस बीच केसी वेणुगोपाल ने प्रधानमंत्री मोदी की आलोचना करते हुए भी कहा कि राहुल गांधी को बैठकर यहां पर सत्ता पक्ष द्वारा, उनके सांसदों द्वारा बोला जाता है कि विदेश घूमने जाते हैं, विदेश में जाकर देश का अपमान करते हैं, जबकि एक्चुअली में विदेश जाकर देश का अपमान अगर किसी ने किया है तो मोदी जी ने। मोदी जी के पुराने गड़े मुर्दे उखाड़ने का काम शुरू कर दिया केसी वेणुगोपाल ने। दोस्तों, केसी वेणुगोपाल ने बताया कि किस तरह से पूर्व में नरेंद्र मोदी पीएम बनने के बाद विदेशों में गए और उन्होंने भारत का अपमान किया। जैसे आपको याद होगा, साउथ कोरिया भी गए थे मोदी जी, इसके अलावा अलग अलग देशों में गए थे, तब वहाँ भारतीयों को संबोधित करते थे और वो बताते थे कि कैसे लोगों को लगता था कि पता नहीं किस जन्म में पाप किए होंगे जो ऐसे देश में पैदा हुए, छोड़ो यहाँ से चल पड़ते हैं, इस देश का कुछ नहीं हो सकता। पूर्व की सरकारों की आलोचना करते हैं मोदी जी, अभी भी विदेश जाते हैं तो करते हैं। तो केसी वेणुगोपाल ने कहा कि यार ये देश का अपमान है या राहुल गांधी जो करते हैं वो देश का अपमान है।
Please hear it. One Shanghai, China, May 16, 2015. नरेंद्र मोदी भाषण। छोड़ो यार, डूब गए, कुछ होगा नहीं। अरे भगवान बचाया भाई। पता नहीं पिछले जन्म में क्या पाप किए कि हम हिंदुस्तान में पैदा हुआ ही। Who told this? Your Prime Minister. Second Seoul, South Korea on May 18, 2015.
प्रधानमंत्री की बातें पढ़ो।
Don't know what sin I committed in my previous birth, that I was born in Hindustan. Is this any country? Is this any government? Are these any people? Forget it. Let's just leave. This is in Korea. Third, Sydney, Australia, November 18, 2014. You will be surprised to know that when I came to power, the previous government used to take pride in saying, we made this law, we made so many laws, we made such and such laws. You must have heard it during election, but I am different. They enjoyed making laws, but I find joy in scrapping all these laws. Your Prime Minister told. Then fourth, New York, same way. Masdar City, 1725, August 2015. 6, Toronto, Canada, April 16, 2015. 7, California, USA, on 27 September 2015. London, United Kingdom, on April 18, after become Prime Minister also. He used to abuse the Indian government, Indian people. India. Can talk of. We are ready to have a debate on foreign travel also. Yeah. If you want, Ravi Shankar ji, how many times your Prime Minister went?
During Manipur.
Not only Manipur, not only official, unofficial also. We can have a debate.
दोस्तों इसके बाद एक स्थिति ये भी आ गई कि केसी वेणुगोपाल और किरण रिजिजू की जबरदस्त बहस होनी शुरू हो गई। दोनों की गर्मागर्म बहस हुई। बार बार वेणुगोपाल को टोक रहे थे रिजिजू, और केसी वेणुगोपाल जब बोल रहे थे तो राहुल गांधी भी उनको समर्थन दे रहे थे, और रिजिजू के बार बार खड़े होने पर राहुल गांधी भी उनको टोक रहे थे कि इनको क्यों इतना मौका मिलता है जब हम बोल रहे हैं। जब विपक्ष के लोग बोलते हैं तो बार बार सत्ता पक्ष के लोगों को क्यों बोलने का मौका मिलता है, जबकि सत्ता पक्ष के लोग जब बोलते हैं तब विपक्ष के लोगों को बोलने का ऐसा मौका नहीं मिलता है।
That day when the issue happened, they went into the well. Of course, along with others, they are also there. Then what drama had been created to protect your Prime Minister? I'm not telling this is also. Speakers comment on that. I got an information that this is what the speaker told. I got an information that some very bad thing will happen to the Prime Minister. Why the women MPs are planning something. Where he got that information? If that information he got, why don't you give it to the police? Here the security forces are there. We are not ruling this country. We are not ruling this country. When you giving a very defamative, derogatory statement against women MPs, that was one of the most irresponsible statement by the Honorable Speaker, sir. Most irresponsible statement. No. I'm not yielding. Sir, if you have got such information, that's a serious thing.
Allegation against the speaker.
If you have got such information, that's a serious thing.
ऐसा नहीं होगा.
You have to.
Just a minute.
We are discussing about resolution on speaker.
Just a minute.
Sir, Venugopal ji, you have made a very serious allegations against the speaker's statement. I have to speak because this house cannot be. We are discussing on the resolution to remove speaker. So while we are discussing, while we are making allegation, we must be very careful that what is the nature of that allegation. Honorable Speaker Om Birla ji is not sitting on the chair, so he is not here to make clarification to the allegation you have made. Now he is not in the chair right now. My point is, since you have made a very serious allegation about the sitting speaker, that you speaker's statement about the threat by the women MPs who were rushing to the well and garrowing in front of the seat where Honorable Prime Minister sits.
ठीक है किरण जी.
Now that day, Venugopal ji, you yourself was present there. Don't disturb. No, I'm talking to you. Don't disturb. So, you don't disturb. Venugopal ji, you were there. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was also there. Rahul ji was not there on that day. Rahul Gandhi ji, you were not there that day. Venugopal ji, look at me. Venugopal ji, you were there on that day. Nearly 25-30 Congress MPs went there. I was there present in the house when I saw your entire MPs rushed inside the speaker's chamber. Then I also went inside the speaker's chamber. One of your MPs released an illegal video. How your MPs were threatening the speaker.
Okay.
I have never seen in the entire parliamentary history that MPs can go to the speaker's chamber and threatening the speaker.
आप बोलेंगे बाद में.
I have made it very clear from the day
मंत्री जी
one.
आप बाद में और बोलेंगे.
We may have differences,
कंटिन्यू करने दीजिए.
but what is the meaning of sending MPs to the Speaker's chamber.
Okay.
And what is the
Okay.
meaning
Venugopal
of
ji, please continue. Venugopal ji, please continue. Okay. Venugopal ji, please continue.
I am taking the responsibility what I am said. I am taking the responsibility what I am said. Don't threaten me, Mr. Kiran Rijiju ji. What I am told, I am not told. This was not because of the speakers alone. Because the Honorable Prime Minister didn't want to come that say Parliament at all. This is an escape route created by yourself. Then you use the speaker position as a tool. Use the speaker position as a tool.
you have accused the Speaker.
Use the speaker position as a tool.
I am a witness to the incident.
This is not speaker alone fault.
I am the
This is
witness.
your fault.
Don't
Your
lie.
Prime Minister is not ready to come to the Parliament.
Kiran ji,
Please. किरण जी एक मिनट, वेणुगोपाल जी एक मिनट. जब गौरव जी सुनिए, जब वेणुगोपाल जी पार्लियामेंट अफेयर्स का मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया तो वो तो बोलेगा ही, वो तो बोलेगा. आपने नाम लिया तो बोलेगा, नाम नहीं लेगा तो नहीं बोलेगा. आप नाम क्यों लेते हैं बार बार?
फिनिश कराइए.
आप खत्म
You only
कीजिए.
took the name from me.
Conclude your speech, please.
Honorable Chairperson,
Time is over, you conclude.
Honorable Chairperson, don't become again partisan. He took my name only.
Yes.
He replied me. He is challenging me. He threatened me.
No.
That's why. No. Then I am telling. I am very much on my words. Parliamentary government want to create an escape route of Prime Minister not coming to the Parliament through the Speaker. This is what my point.
बैठाइए, टाइम हो गया.
आप खत्म कीजिए प्लीज कंक्लूड. कंक्लूड प्लीज.
Sir, every time he is disturbing. What is this?
Let him speak, sir.
Sitting there. Why are you lying?
You do what?
Don't mislead. Sir, I will make a very small clarification. Sir, अभी तक भी हम लोगों ने कोई सीसीटीवी फुटेज हम लोग ने रिलीज नहीं किया है. अगर ये वेणुगोपाल जी इस तरह झूठ बोलेगा और उस दिन कांग्रेस सांसदों का व्यवहार स्पीकर चैम्बर में क्या हुआ, सीसी फुटेज रिलीज होगा, ये लोग शर्मसार हो जाएगा. हम लोग ओछी राजनीति नहीं करते हैं. आपका एमपीज का बिहेवियर अगर दुनिया ने देखा तो हम लोग शर्मसार होगा. इसलिए झूठ मत बोलो.
प्लीज कंटिन्यू वेणुगोपाल. प्लीज कंटिन्यू. आप कंक्लूड कीजिए प्लीज कंक्लूड. आप शेयर का एड्रेस कीजिए, वहाँ एड्रेस करेगा तो फिर ऐसे चलेगा. शेयर का एड्रेस कीजिए प्लीज. सभी लोग बैठिए अपना साथ में बैठिए.
Sir, thank you Kiran Rijiju ji for establishing and giving a clear example why this adjournment of this impeachment motion brought to this in this house. Because how many times you woke up now? Please. How many times chair given mic to Parliamentary Affairs Minister? This is the state of affairs of this Parliament now. This government is thinking, this leader of opposition earlier told, this Parliament is for everybody. This Parliament for entire nation. But the government is thinking that this Parliament is only for BJP.
Conclude please.
Because
Party time
they
is
didn't
over.
want to hear the truth at all. If the truth come out, their leaders will be in danger. That they know.
Okay.
Therefore, they didn't want to hear any truth. That is why this much expression is coming from their side.